the students, I am Dr. Yogita Lonare, Durga Mahavidyalaya, Raipur. See students, this is my second video lecture on short notes. In this video lecture, I am going to cover two more short notes. They are expressionism and existentialism. So, I begin with expressionism first. Expressionism is considered as the revolt against realism and naturalism. The movement intends to achieve a psychological reality rather than the practical events arranged in logical sequence. It is a modern movement. Initially, it was seen in poetry and painting, which was originated in Germany in the beginning of the 20th century. Its purpose is to present the world only from subjective perspective. Only for emotional effect it is modified. It developed as an avant-garde style before the World War I. You know students, what is avant-garde? It is a group of people who invent or promote new techniques or concepts, especially in the arts. Sometimes it is considered that Julian Auguste Herve's painting, which was exhibited in 1901 in Paris, is the origin of this movement. To this he called expressionisms. Important precursors of expressionisms were the German philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche, whose popular play is Thus Spoke Zarathustra, and August Strindberg's trilogy Damascus, A Dream Play, and The Ghost Sonata. German expressionism development is the reaction of the younger generations against the existing culture. Expressionism in literature aroused as a reaction against materialism and the domination of the families in the society. After World War I, it was the dominant movement in Germany. Now we are going to see the characteristics of expressionism movement. First is, it only desires to convey emotions and meaning rather than what reality is. Our second point is, while dealing with the idea, subjects are often distorted and exaggerated only to express emotions. At the same time, in terms of paintings, colors are quite vivid and shocking. Edvard Munch was the founder of expressionistic school of painting. Third point is, focus is found only on subjective aspects. Fourth point is, human beings' tragic vision is projected. Pessimistic aspect is also exposed. This was our last point. So, this was expressionism. Now, we are going to see what existentialism is. Existentialism is a philosophy that focuses on the existence of mankind. It deals with the endeavor of finding a way in this antagonistic universe. It is based on the notion that humans can choose the path of life on one's own and try to make decisions in the irrational and unreasonable universe. By using this rational mood, the mankind is liberated from the clutches of moral values, social norms, and religious beliefs. It is a movement that emphasizes individual existence, freedom, and choice. In France, it began in the mid-19th century and lasted its peak in the mid 20th century. This movement advocates that there is no God or any such invisible force or transcendental force. The word existentialism is derived from the Latin term existere, that means to stand out. It rejects to belong to any school of thought. It is also a reaction against any kind of philosophy. This movement reacts against traditional school of philosophy like rationalism, positivism, British empiricism, and so on. Danish philosopher Soren Kierkegaard and German philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche developed this philosophy, although they never used the term in their works. Martin Heidegger's name is considered for the later development of this movement. Friedrich Hegel and Arthur Schopenhauer are some exponents of this movement. Franz Kafka is another major exponent of this movement. The themes such as boredom, the absurd freedom, alienation, nothingness have been popularized by the French writers like Jean-Paul Sartre, Albert Camus, and Simone de Beauvoir in their works in the mid 20th century. There are several questions that can be put up to know this movement very well. Whether there is a God, what would happen when humans die, what is the existence, and so on. Now I am going to tell you some important works based on existentialism. Jean-Paul Sartre's The Flies, Being and Nothingness, Nausea, which is a novel, No Exit, which is a play, The Respected Prostitute also. Albert Camus's The Myth of Sisyphus, Caligula, The Possessed. Simone de Beauvoir's The Second Sex and The Elix of Ambiguity and Who Shall Die are some important works on existentialism. So, this is existentialism, students. So, in this video, I covered two short notes, expressionism and existentialism. Very soon, my third video lecture will be uploaded that will be based on theatre of the absurd. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.